With another video of our frequently asked questions of what you should do and ask before you purchase the vehicle from myself or anyone. May I bring my selection to my mechanic for a third-party inspection? Absolutely. Third-party inspections are most definitely welcome. That'll assure yourself. I also have no problem with it. I am very confident in the product, and your mechanic will tell you that, which will make us both happy. At CW Auto King, we pride ourselves in providing our clients with reliable, trouble-free trucks, cars, SUVs, and minivans. All vehicles are detailed, all required mechanical work gets done, safeties are supplied, all vehicles are eligible for an extended aftermarket warranty, bank financing is always available. Please visit our website at cwautoking.com for more information or to browse our inventory. Or feel free to give us a call at 204-777-5088 to arrange a test drive.